Good day, children. Today your lesson is Nature Inspired Creations. Okay, take out your pupils book. It is unit number 4, activity 4.3. Okay, okay. First of all, watch this movie clip. Do you know what it is? I hope you have seen this in films. Yes, you are correct. It is a sonar indicator. Do you know it is also known as radar? It is used in ships to detect objects nearby or around the ship. Do you know it is first used by dolphins to find food? Therefore, we can introduce the sonar is a nature-inspired technology. That means we got the lesson from the nature. Okay, now you have some idea about what is nature-inspired creations. Turn to page number 39 in your pupils book. Okay, today our lesson is about nature-inspired creations. First of all, we are going to listen to the audio of first two paragraphs. Then try to find answers for the following questions while you are listening. Okay, are you ready? Yes. First question is, what are the excellent models of nature? Second one, it is a fill in the blanks activity. Listen and fill in the blanks. Nature has provided inspiration for blank. Okay, next one. What two parts of birds taken as a model to make the aeroplane? The two nature inspired parts of aeroplane are, you have to write the answers in the blanks below. And the next one, who constructed the flying machine?
Nature inspires creations. Many incredible creations of scientists and engineers are excellent models of nature. Some of the most wonderful constructions in the world are ideal examples of how nature had provided inspiration for the designers and architects. Have you noticed that there is a physical relationship between the aeroplanes and birds? The aeroplane is based not only on the bird's streamlined body shape, but also on the arrangement of wings and feathers. Leonardo da Vinci analyzed the flight of birds and adapted it for the construction of flying machines.
We will be checking answers in the classroom. Okay, let's discuss some vocabulary. Yes, the first word is incredible. What is the meaning of incredible? Right. Hope you have written the answers. Can you believe a flying rhino like this? Yes, it is hard to believe. So it is unbelievable. Though. So the meaning of incredible is unbelievable. That means you can't believe it. We have never seen a flying rhino. Isn't that so? Wings and feathers. I believe you know the answer for this one. Yes. Let's go to the next one. Yes, it is a person, Leonardo da Vinci. Hope you have heard about him in your history lessons. He invented this wonderful machine. It is flying machine. Here you can see the sketch of the flying machine. He invented this long before the Wright brothers. So we consider him as a great inventor and an artist. Okay, children, let's listen to the next two paragraphs and answer the following questions. First of all, you have to listen the audio. First of all, you have to listen to the audio very carefully, then answer the questions. If you miss something, you can always go back and listen to the audio. Right. First one, what is created based on the structure of bone tissues? Second one, what method of nature used for telegraph poles? And the third one is, who designed the Crystal Palace? And the fourth one, In which products you can see the lotus effect? And the next one, why does water roll off the lotus leaf? Okay, listen to the audio very carefully and try to answer these questions.
There are a number of architectural monuments based on nature. The architects have created the Eiffel Tower based on the structure of the human bone tissues. The telegraph poles have the method of wind resistance similar to blades of grass. Joseph Paxton, the designer of the Crystal Palace in London, used the leaves of the tropical water lily as his model. Today, house paints, roof tiles, and window glasses use the lotus effect. This concept is based on the surface of a lotus leaf, as it is covered with a layer of fine fibers, hair and wax crystals. The dust and dirt dissolve in water and raft so that the leaf remains clean and dry.
When we meet at the next class, I'm going to check these answers and discuss these questions. Okay, hope you have written the answers. There's some vocabulary here too. Okay, the first word, actually it is a phrase, structure of the human bone tissues. I hope you are familiar with the term bones. Bones are built upon a structure. You know, the Eiffel Tower is built using the structure of bone tissues. Okay, you see in picture B, this structure of bone tissues. In picture C, you see the construction of Eiffel Tower. Next word is telegraph poles. Where do you see telegraph poles? Yes, mobile service providers normally use telegraph poles. In your town, in your area, you should have seen these telegraph poles. These telegraph poles also inspired by the structure of human bone tissues. Okay, right, next word is the crystal palace. This palace is made of crystal. Yes, crystal is a type of glass. It is very transparent. It is situated in London. Okay, our next word is lotus effect. Have you heard about lotus effect? Look at the video here. You see the water does not stay on the lotus leaf. So that effect is called lotus effect. That means water does not stay on the leaf of lotus. Okay, we are moving to the last part of the lesson. Here you have to listen to the last two paragraphs and answer the following questions. Are you ready? Okay, the first one is, yes, the question is fill in the blanks activity. You have to listen to the audio and fill in these blanks. Nature has influenced the blank world. And the second one is blank is used to diagnose diseases. And the third one is flippers are used by blank. And the next one, feet of frogs are blank. And the last one is nature is a blank and a blank. There should be two answers. Okay, listen to the audio very carefully and answer the questions.
Nature has also influenced the medical world. Diagnosis of diseases through ultrasound is based on the ultrasound that bats use to detect its prey. Even the flippers that the divers use are based on the webbed feet of frogs. Similarly, we can list out various creations of man that are based on the structures of nature. By considering all these, we can decide that nature is not only a healer, but also an excellent
Okay, let's move
teacher.
to the next part. Yes, let's discuss few vocabulary in this section too. Yes, The word is ultrasound. If you have a baby brother or sister, you should have seen this small photograph. To take a photograph in unseen places like womb, we use ultrasound. In the next picture, you see the bats use this ultrasound effect to find its prey. Right, let's move to the next word. Flippers. You will understand the meaning of this word when you see the picture. Yes, normally people who dive in the sea use these flippers. Web feet of frogs. If you closely see the feet of this frog, you can see they are covered by a skin. That is called webbed feet. Okay, now you have another activity. It is in your pupils book. What you have to do is read the text again and find the examples taken from nature and the inventions and constructions based on them, and write them in your writing book. When you come to the class, I'm going to check it. Okay, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day. Bye.